Hello, good morning, happy Saturday. Last night was not a good night. I honestly thought at one point we were going to have an ambulance out. Little Ruben, it started about 9:30. Obviously he's had this cough for over a month, like I'm going to say almost 2 months. But it only really, like, it's kind of gone during the day. It's only at night time. And obviously we're doing cowpole and warm drinks and honey and all the things that the NHS, you know, he's elevated at bedtime, all the things that the NHS website recommends, and it's just a virus, and him having this break from preschool and everything will help get him better, because they just all infect each other, don't they, with these germs. But last night it was just lots of crying and shouting in his sleep, and then he woke up and he was just so distressed, very blotchy and red. You want to say hello? Oh.
I'm waiting.
But are you feeling better today?
Yes.
You were poorly in the night.
No.
But you're okay now.
No.
You okay now?
No.
Or do you still feel poorly?
No.
You happy?
No.
Okay. Ruben is happy. That's good to know. But yeah, it was clammy and blotchy, and just it was like he couldn't catch his breath. And he was refusing. Ruben doesn't like to take cowpole anyway, so we normally put it in hot milk. He was refusing to drink anything, saying his throat was sore. But then when he drank some water, he said it didn't taste nice, which again I'm going to say it's a sore throat. And he's just really, really upset, and obviously that's quite upsetting for any parent. Me and John was getting like, oh my goodness. Obviously we have a history of seizures with Ruben, and you're like, don't panic, it's fine. But it does all go through your mind. But yeah, ended up, we have some of the suppository cowpoles. They're just a blessing that we were able to get those. We got them from the hospital the last time Ruben had a seizure, because he is a kid that refuses to take oral cowpole. We don't use it all the time, obviously, but they're there for those situations where he's refusing to take pain relief. So we gave him one of those, and you know, we put the Vicks stuff, the air stuff in, and it was just cuddles and holding hands and soft gentle voices, and eventually he went back to sleep. And he did sleep relatively well once we got him back down, like, but it was still coughing and a bit tearful, but he was asleep while doing it. So yeah, not a great night. So we were supposed to be going to the PARK this morning with our friends. I have cancelled because it is very cold out there, and even though I'm sure, especially with the cowpole high, because he's taken more this morning orally, he'd love it and he'd run around like a crazy thing in the cold and have the greatest time. But I don't want to put his little chest out in cold air right now, so just kind of taking it easy. He seems really happy this morning, and there's like a part of me like, oh, did I make the wrong decision? Oh, I've got to throw that cake away. Did I make the wrong decision? And there's a farm that's quite close to us that's open this afternoon for kids to go and see, and I'm like, oh, maybe John and I can take him there this afternoon to get him out of the house, get some fresh air. But then a part of me's like, no, just keep him in and wrap him up warm and try and get him as healthy as possible. I don't know what the right thing is to do here. I just don't know, but our plans are cancelled. John finishes work at lunchtime, and that's his last. The post office will then be shut, I think, until Thursday. I think they're opening again on Thursday, so that's like John's Christmas holidays. We're going to let Ruben have his Christmas Eve box today, even though it's Christmas Eve tomorrow, so he's got more time to play with it. And I still haven't dried the bedding that I washed yesterday. The house is not giving. So I've got to do that. And I thought I only had 3 presents left to wrap for John. And then I found one that I forgot I bought. So I've got 4. Problem when you start shopping so early, I think. Right, stop rambling. Gonna drink a coffee and probably get us both dressed. Ruben, I love you.
I love you. I love you too, Mum.
Hey, so it's not been a productive morning, really. I've had a very clingy Ruben. He is still in his pyjamas. I am dressed. But pretty much everything has only been accomplished if I could either hold a Ruben or do it with Ruben sat on me. I did manage to get the bedding out that I washed yesterday, and I've done a very quick Mrs. Hinch clean on the washing machine. I gave the bathroom a quick blitz, and I have edited and uploaded a video for today, Ruben's Christmas Eve box, and tomorrow, which is a food haul. Oh, there's my shadow. Hello. Hello, Baba. We're not feeling great, are we? Oh, 1, 2, 3, up.
I'm dead.
You're not feeling very well.
I'm happy.
You're happy.
I love it.
Ruben, I love you.
I'm going to say that's Emma.
Ruben,
And
do you love Daddy?
so the
Can you say, I love Daddy?
I love Daddy.
I love Daddy too.
And there's a cows.
Oh, we're watching Teddy Bears, which is Care Bears. Yeah, not achieved much. John should be home in about an hour. I need to tidy up. I haven't wrapped those 4 presents. I haven't written those Christmas cards. Failing at life. Hello. It's a lot later. John came home from work. We had lunch. Katsu curry, bao bun things. We put on After Christmas. Everybody had a nap. It's the life we lead. Yeah, Ruben is refusing anything I suggest for his tea. And I've suggested all of his favourites, so that's fun. So we're going to let him have his Christmas Eve box now. Hopefully after that he might decide he wants to eat something.
Wow. I'll do it again.
It's a telescope! Is it a present?
Yes. That's right.
What is it, Baba?
That's a puzzle. It's a puzzle.
It's a puzzle? What's Daddy got? Hang on.
A radar.
A reindeer? A snowman?
And an elf.
An elf? Wow.
Yeah. What is this?
Right, let's put the box down. Got to do this one.
Hey. Careful.
Oh no, it fell off.
Look. Go there. Oh no. Go there.
Good job. And it's tea time, and this looks a bit empty on the plate, but there's profiteroles to be had afterwards. It's ham and mushroom pizza from Waitrose. Oakley doke, so pizza was good. John is all set up, wrapping Ruben presents, and I'm going to tidy the mess that is the kitchen.